The Bharatiya Janata Party on Wednesday lambasted the Congress Party and the Samajwadi Party for using abusive language towards their poster boy Narendra Modi. Hours after the Union Steel Minister Beni Prasad Verma called Modi an RSS Gunda, the party rallied behind Modi to give a befitting reply to their adversaries. The party's national spokesperson Prakash Javadekar on Wednesday slayed the Congress party for resorting to abusive languages against Namo. Javadekar said the party's desperation has led to abusive language being hurled by the ruling party.
Beni Prasad Verma and Azam Khan have today again used abusive language against our Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi ji. Let me tell them that more you abuse, more it recoils on you. More you abuse, more it will rebound on you with more ferocity. Because people are giving tremendous and rising support to Modi ji, you will lose whatever credibility you have if you go on abusing. But this abusive politics also tells us that how desperate Congress is, as they cannot match the popularity and rising graph of Narendra Modi, and as they cannot answer the questions he is raising, therefore they are adopting such abusive language.
On being asked about the prospect of their candidate Smriti Irani from Amethi, Javadekar with an air of confidence said that history will be created in the Gandhi bastion.
देखो, भारतीय जनता पार्टी राहुल गांधी जी के खिलाफ अपनी तेज तर्रार नेता स्मृति ईरानी जी को हम लड़ा रहे हैं, और जो हम लड़ रहे हैं वो जीतने के लिए लड़ रहे हैं। और अमेठी में इस बार इतिहास होगा। एक बार पहले भी हुआ था 77 में, इस बार भी अमेठी में इतिहास होगा और भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीतेगी।
The party declared that they are engaged in talks with N. Chandrababu Naidu-led Telugu Desam Party for a possible alliance partnership.
आंध्र प्रदेश और तेलंगाना के चुनाव के बारे में, क्योंकि वहां लोकसभा और विधानसभा दोनों चुनाव साथ में है, तो दोनों चुनाव में गठबंधन के लिए टीडीपी के साथ बात हो रही है। जैसे ही कोई नतीजा आएगा हम बताएंगे। लेकिन जैसे शादी के चर्चा में होता है, वो भी एक अलायंस ही कहते हैं, तो अलायंस में आधा अधूरा कुछ नहीं होता, या तो होता है या तो नहीं होता है। हम जल्दी आपको नतीजा बताएंगे।
This report was brought to you by NNIS.